Okay, so we picked up this ONN gaming monitor. I don't know. I mean, it says it's got 1080p. Okay, I mean, whatever. Free sync, whatever the hell that is. 1 millisecond response time, visual gaming modes, action, racing, sports, users, standard, eco, graphics, HDR. Okay, low blue light adjustment, aspect ratio 16:9. Adjustable stand height plus 80 millimeters, tilt 25 degrees to 5 degrees, swivel 30 degrees plus or minus. Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS compatible. Okay, that's a 75x75. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, okay. 1 display port, 2 HDMI connections available to it, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. All right, that's cool. So you get the monitor in the box, you get the display port cable, 6 foot in the box. You get a 6 foot HDMI cable in the box. You get the AC adapter, power cable, 6 foot, and a monitor stand with a quick start guide. All right, cool. Let's I don't know. Let's get it out of here and see what she looks like. So let's get her out here and see. It's kind of small, but I mean, it's 24 inch. That's kind of what we expected. We expected it to be small. Okay. All right. Looks like it is going to be mountable onto a wall mount, which to me sounds awesome. Or at least I like those. I like mounts. And okay, so yeah, yay. Let's go ahead and set her up though. So this is the base of the stand, it looks like. That's going to be what sits on the desktop. So neat. I mean, is what it is. It's not like overly heavy duty. But then again, we don't expect it to be for only $100. Now this one seems heavy duty. This actually seems like it's way more sturdy than the stand. I mean, this is what it hangs on. Did we get it? Yes, we did. All right. So, I'm going to slide that in here and then give it a rotation. Maybe. No. No. You line it up. You're going to have to do this upside down. Turn it upside down. And there's these 2 little screws down here at the bottom that have these nice little peg things on them where you can just spin them. And I don't have mine lined up. Looks like it might be lined up now. Yep, and it's also got a Phillips head. Yeah, Phillips head bit in there. So if you wanted to, you could take a driver. So that's their stand. Looks pretty neat. It's got a nice little red base there. So, how are we going to do this on the back here? Oh, has that got 2 more of those? Those pin into there, those pin into that. That all there is to it? That's all there is to it. Okay. So you're going to take the back of this, you're going to take this, and you're going to slide those 2 little pegs, this little peg here, right into that top hole there. And move her around until she snaps in place. There we go, she's snapped in place. She's not coming out until you hit this button down here to release it, and then you can pull it right back off, which we're not going to do because I don't need to. All right, So your HDMI ports are right here up underneath, and your power supply is going to be right there as well. DP. Oh, that's the digital. The goofy looking HDMI that's half cut off. I don't remember what it's called. And then your headphone jack is back there as well. Not sure what this is. Oh, is that my light for when she's turned on, maybe? All right, cool. So let's plug her in. See what she looks like. These is not the HDMI. So this one's not the HDMI, this one is the HDMI. Okay. I guess it's important to figure out which one. That way you know which one to pull out. Let me go ahead and plug the HDMI in here. Does it matter which one's HDMI 1? Let's go to HDMI 1. And then let's see about getting the power plugged in as well. Cool. Alright. Now how do we turn it on? Oh, is that it right there? Oh, okay. A little button back here to turn it on. Okay, cool. Let's see if we're on the right screen. Hey, look at that! We're playing a game. So it is working. Yay! Awesome. Doesn't light up in the back. That's. Does it? No. No, I was really hoping those reds were lights, but no, they're not. So it is what it is. Anyway. Got a new monitor. We can take the old one out. The old one is old, so it's dead. But, we'll replace that. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Bye.